Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will be reading a poem on killing a tree. So this poem focuses on the major problem of killing down of trees, and the poet assumes that trees are humans, and instead of using the word cutting, he uses the word killing for the trees as we use for the human beings. So why the poet considers trees as humans and why he uses the word killing for the trees? So to answer these questions, let us start reading the poem.
It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it.
So the poet is saying that it is not an easy job to kill a tree, although it takes much time to kill it. A simple jab of the knife, which means a rough blow or just a simple cut through the knife, cannot destroy the trees.
It has grown slowly consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves.
Okay, now the poet is telling that how the tree grows. So the trees are initially the small plants which has roots buried in the soil, and it takes the nutrients from the soil and absorbs sunlight, air and water through the atmosphere and gradually grows into a big tree. And the tree develops into a strong trunk and has a large number of leaves. Now moving to the second para.
So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. Not so much pain will do it.
Now the poet is saying that just to cut the trunk of the tree into many pieces will not destroy the tree, and giving so much pain to the tree by cutting it will not destroy it properly.
The bleeding bark will heal.
Okay, now as I told you earlier that the poet is comparing the trees with the human beings. So the poet is saying that in the case of human beings, the blood comes out from the wounded area, same as in the case of trees, a liquid substance which is called sap. It comes from the trees when the tree is being cut. So the bark which has wounds will be healed gradually.
And from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs, miniature boughs which if unchecked will expand again to form a size.
So when the bark of the tree is cut, a small plant will emerge from the ground with small green twigs and tiny branches on them. And if these small plants are left undisturbed, then these plants will grow in a big tree. Now moving to the third para.
No, the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be roped, tied and pulled out, snapped out, or pulled out entirely, out from the earth cave.
So the poet is saying that in order to kill the tree, it has to be uprooted. And as we know that the earth gives support to the tree, so the poet says that the tree has to be detached from the earth. The roots get the moisture from the soil which are hidden inside the earth, and these sensitive roots have to be pulled out from the pit of the earth and detached it from the soil to destroy the tree.
And the strength of the tree exposed, the source white and wet, the most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth.
So now the poet says that all the strength of the tree has been lost as the roots have been detached, which were white in color and hidden inside the earth for so many long years. Now moving to the fourth para.
Then the matter of scorching and choking, in sun and air, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done.
So now the poet is saying that once the roots are detached from the soil, the tree starts dying, and in the sunlight and winds, its color turns to brown, it hardens, twists and withers, and then finally the stage comes and the tree dies. So here the poem ends, and I hope that you all understood the poem. And if you like the video, so please turn the black thumb blue and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.